Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer Robux to another Roblox account. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and log in to the account that will receive the Robux. Then at the bottom right of the corner, tap the More icon or three dots and scroll down and tap Create. And here, tap Passes, then upload any image, give it a name, and tap Create Pass. And once the pass is created, tap the Settings gear icon, and then select Configure. Now go to Sales and turn on Item for Sale and set the price to the amount of Robux that you want to send. And next, log into the account that's sending Robux. Find the Game Pass and buy it. The Roblox will be added to the receiving account. And just remember that the Roblox takes 30% fee and the Robux will show up as pending for a few days before you can use it. And that's it. You've learned how to transfer Robux to another account on mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.